So if you're into living green, from what you wear to the cleaning products you use in your home, you might be surprised to learn you can also sleep green too. If switching out your pillow or mattress is on your to-do list, consider an organic or hypoallergenic one. It might just do the trick, especially if you suffer from severe allergies or eczema. Because let's face it, every household is different and we all have different needs. Plus, if you host, your guests will appreciate its resistance to dust mites, mold, and mildew, allowing for a deeper sleep. The owners of My Green Mattress personally understand how beneficial an organic mattress can be because their infant daughter was suffering from severe allergies and eczema. So they developed My Green Mattress and have grown it from their nursery to the entire home. If you love to live green, make sure to check out mygreenmattress.com for more information on their GOTS and GOLS organic factory certification and other details. So now that we've gone green, let's continue to curate a life you love and see what else made the lifestyle list.